Hi, people. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you found yourself at. I'm Mr. Starlet. You don't want to miss the next day shipping via www.starletshopping.com. Even though the sun is out today, though, you see, but it feels chilly, which is a great moment for everybody to support me, support my movement, Starlet Shopping. The beanie is out. Each and everyone can grab some, and then feel cozy inside of your head. Happy Monday, fun day. The hoodie's here. Get a hoodie, get a beanie combo. It's actually free shipping, next day shipping, 3 days probably delivering, 2 days delivering. You can also expedite your shipment, So this is Canada. Let me show you a little bit how Canada rolls. Even if you don't have a car, transportation system is easy. Let me show you guys the train. That's a train just going right there. That's it going. Boom. So it's fast and easy. And I'm also walking towards the rail station. So I could use the railway and then show you guys how lively the place looks like. And everybody around the world could possibly have an interest to follow the World Cup movement as an opportunity to visit Canada. Yep, so I'm going to the rail station now. And then you'll have a look at how it works. Okay? Yep. I'm not gonna use inside. I'll use the outlet, just like that guy came down. So this is Weston Road. Everything is calm. People are gone to work. People are working. The good thing is everybody do have their schedule, you know what I mean? So activities here are on point. The system is working. Yep. So let's go back. Stylish shopping. Next day delivering. Free shipping. I'm repping in the hoodies. I'm repping with a beanie. Almost here at the station. So I'm gonna use here, which is meant for those on the wheelchairs. They have easy access to climb up and climb down. As you've seen, this is the railway. It has a very big parking. You could grab one for yourself also, And then always park your car when you're going to work. I park mine somewhere there. Yeah, so I'll come back for it. This is it. Yep, we're out here on a rail station. So what happened is we have to wait. You have to wait for your train to come and then you join it. But before you go, get on the train. There is a card called Presto. If you have, you can do it online, or you could just tap it here. I probably tap mine online. Yep. Hey brother, how you doing? You good? How are you? Good. I'm Starlet. I'm just on the life now, showing people what's happening, how common siren the environment in during the day, and then how easy people get on the transport, how easy and fast the train comes and go. So I'm just gonna get on the train myself, enjoy it to the Union Station. That aside today, huh? All right. So this is to the airport. Yeah, it's good. Thanks. So you see, it's very good to talk. See, we just engaged and I got my way out. I'm Starlet. You can check out my thing, Facebook. My name is David Jitonu. But you can search Starlet, Starlet TV, and then you can find me on YouTube and YouTube channel Starlet TV. And I have Starlet Shopping. This is my brand, my clothing brand. It's the hoodie, and I have the beanies there. I have a whole lot of things there. StarletShopping.com. You can look it up. I'll give you my card. That phone one. Thanks, brother. All right. Yeah, so it's good to be kind. Talk, interact with people. So, in case you come to Canada and you are new, you just need to interact. People are lively in Canada. You know what I mean? Like, you just need to talk to people. Always talk, interact, and use your phone, connect your phone, and do your thing. Now I have to go to the other side, just like she, he said. Hi, Miss, how are you? Great. Yeah, tell you, there are lively people here. Just need to communicate and everything is okay. Check it out. People are gone to work. I'm just taking a stroll to show you guys a little bit of the setup, how smooth and easy things work out here. Just to let you know, don't forget www.stylishshopping.com, where everything you find is free shipping, next day shipping. Yep. Hey, Yusuf Fataku, thank you for pulling up on. What do you have on your mind, bro? How's your business? I believe it's going well. And you are also making a swift delivery as well, innit? Big up yourself, everybody doing something out there. Put your energy up. Just wake up. Get on your E's. Get on your T's. And don't freeze in the T's. Right. So right now, we're gonna go use the underground outlet to the other subway station for the train. Boom. Today we are live. Ooh. Yeah. It looks quiet here, but it's always safe. So there are cameras everywhere. You could even sleep here anytime, every day. It's safe. You know, it's just as safe here. So it works. I use the down outlet, underground outlet, and I'm at the other side, the opposite section of the train station. But I'm just gonna take a walk down there to the railway station. Here we are. Boom, boom, boom. Yo, people, what do you have? Who is on there? Yusuf Pataku. Hey, what's up, bro? How's it going? Starlight is outside. Let's do it. Grab your hoodies. Go fresh. Fresh hoodies, you know. Free shipping, affordable and easy. Let me just interact with some girls right here. Give them my cat. Hey, ladies. How you guys doing? I'm David. This is my branch, Starlight. Yeah, you can have my card and check on my things. Free shipping though. You guys buy things? No. Alright, that's okay. Yep, yep. That's it. We're marketing outside. Should interact, talk to people, find out what you want, check on your phone, use the ChatGPT, Google your needs, and figure some things out. Talk to people and find out what you want. There are a whole lot of people out there ready to support, ready to talk and interact with you. So while I'm here waiting, you jump on the www.stylishopping, grab your beanie, your jacket combo, joggers out there, free shipping, next day delivery. Don't freeze in your skis. Yeah. So we're outside live here in Ontario, and it's so entertaining and interesting. Things you really wouldn't know about Canada. People are so interactive, nice and fun. Yeah, I don't like waiting too much, it's taking too much time. So going back into the car, I'm gonna use the car instead. And then when I get there, I'll pull up back online. So don't like waiting. I don't like waiting. When you join the elevator, it takes you down, straight down. Boom, track one, first floor, coming out. Boom, we're outside. Hello, how's your day? Yeah, she's so focused. That's how it is in Canada. You need to stay focused. You need to stay focused and do your thing. My camera kicks is here. And I'm going parking lot where I can access my car. Yep, this is Canada. So this is the Presto machine. The machines you would have to pay with to get on the train. That is it. So that is one of the payment method. When you have the card, you tap on a machine and then boom, you are gone. It's very affordable. They also do some cafe in there. You could just take a seat, relax and chill, especially now it's winter. You may want to have some coffee, you may want to just chill and use your computer or laptop, or you may want to chill and have some, you may want to chill to wait for your train or wait for someone picking you up. This is an area built for you to relax and chill. Yep, I am Mr. Starlet. You don't want to miss the next day shipment. The weather is clean, clear, but a bit chilly though. So it's still the right time to put on the Starlet Starlet hoodies and the Starlet beanies, so as you can feel cozy within your head, you know. Yeah, so what's the news out there? What's the news out there? What you guys want us to talk about? What do you want me to talk about? Tell me what you want me to talk about. I'll show you what you want me to talk about. I'll tell you what you want me to talk about. I'll explain whatever you want me to talk about. I will show you everywhere you want me to show you, Canada. This is actually my community. I'm just walking towards my car from the rail station, and then boom, heading home to fulfill orders. So jump on www.starletshopping right away. And once I get to the desk, your shipment is on the way. See, I'm chilling. It's still so fresh here. Yep, yep, yep. We're outside. Outside on the Canada. On the Western Road. Western Road. Yo, what do you guys want me to talk about? Yusuf, Augustine Amuzu, what up? Yeah, everything looks calm, quiet. People doing their thing, eh? Who is coming to the World Cup 2026? Who is coming for the World Cup 2026? World Cup 2026. Who is coming? Link up, and I'll start showing you guys a couple of things you want to know, things you want to see, things you want to hear before you start your journey. You know, your preparation towards your journey. I'm here. I'm here to support. I'm here to support you guys all towards your preparation for coming here. If you want or if you need anything you may want to know in Canada or you may want to see in Canada, let me know. You know what I mean? And honestly, I'm going to share that with you. It's actually Monday, midday, around 12:34 p.m. exactly. Um, Are you guys feeling powerful? Are you feeling powerful, Mr. Amuzu? Yeah. World Cup 2026. Are you guys ready to embark on your Canada, USA, Mexico adventurous journey? It will be fun. It looks like it will be so much fun. Don't miss that. Don't miss that. Don't miss that. Yeah. Do you guys think I could drive and still be on the live? I don't think so. And I'll get back to you guys once I get off here. The wheel, okay? Have fun. Thank you guys. Stay positive. Stay connected. Think positive. Stay connected. Do your thing. Jump on it. Don't give up. Don't freeze in the steez. I'm heading home right away to fulfill your order. So if you haven't buy anything, or you're looking forward to buy something, or you are hesitant to buy something, or you are doubtful about buying anything, this is a chance. Get on www.starletshopping and then probably buy something for yourself. Thank you so much. See ya.